In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Monday.com. Custom fields are a great way to tailor your boards so they match exactly how your team works, instead of forcing your workflow into a default template. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a new custom field and then rename and customize it so it really makes sense for your projects. First, open the board where you want to add your custom field. Make sure you're in the main table view so you can clearly see your columns and items. At the top of your board, look for the plus sign that appears to the right of your existing column headers. This is the button you'll use to add a new column, which is what Monday.com calls a field. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, you'll see a menu open up with different column options. This menu might include things like status, text, numbers, dates, and more. What you're looking for here is the section usually labeled Essentials. These are the most commonly used field types that form the core of most boards. Now, select Essentials from that menu. This will show you the basic field types that you can add, such as a simple text column, a status column for tracking progress, or a number column for budgets and estimates. Choose the field type that best fits the kind of information you want to capture. For example, if you need people to enter short descriptions or notes, choose a text column. If you want clear stages like to do, in progress, and done, choose a status column. Once you've added your new field, it will appear as a new column on your board with a default name. To really make it useful, you'll want to rename it and customize it. Move your mouse over the column header for the new field and look for the three dots, often called the More Options or Context menu. Click on those three dots. From this menu, choose the option to rename the column. Type in a name that clearly describes what this field is for, like client name, priority, or estimated hours. If your field type supports it, this same menu also lets you customize settings, such as adding or editing labels for a status column, or adjusting formatting options. When you're done, your board will now have a custom field that's clearly labeled and tailored to your workflow, making it easier for your team to stay organized and aligned.